Money laundering is when criminals make illegal money look like it came from a legal source. They do this by moving the money through businesses or banks to hide its criminal origin. This process allows criminals to spend their money freely, but it harms society and the economy. As a business owner in Nigeria, understanding money laundering helps you protect your business and reputation. Nigeria has a legal framework to combat money laundering and terrorism financing, aligning with global standards. Anti-money laundering regulations aim to cut off illicit funds, disrupt criminal enterprises, and enhance national security. Key legislation includes the Money Laundering, Prevention and Prohibition Act, 2022, which defines money laundering offenses and sets obligations for businesses. The Terrorism, Prevention and Prohibition Act, 2022, stops the funding of terrorist activities. These laws apply to a wide range of businesses, referred to as designated non-financial businesses and professions, DNFBPs. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, investigates and prosecutes financial crimes. The Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit, NFIU, analyzes and shares financial intelligence with law enforcement. Business owners must recognize the direct impact of these laws, requiring active participation in AML efforts. You are legally obligated to know your customers, monitor transactions, and report suspicious activity. Ignorance of these laws is not an excuse and can lead to severe penalties. One of the most straightforward rules your business must follow relates to cash transactions. The Money Laundering Act sets limits on cash payments: 5 million naira for individuals and 10 million naira for corporate bodies. Payments above these amounts must be made through a financial institution. This prevents criminals from using untraceable cash to purchase high-value items. Refuse cash payments exceeding these thresholds. Report cash transactions exceeding these limits to the NFIU. File a suspicious transaction report, STR, if you suspect a transaction is related to a crime regardless of the amount. Identify and verify your customers through Know Your Customer (KYC) procedures. Obtain and verify official identification documents. This prevents dealing with anonymous persons, a tactic used in money laundering. Maintain detailed records of all transactions and customer data for at least 5 years. Keep this information well organized and readily available for regulatory bodies like the EFCC or NFIU. Good record keeping ensures compliance and proves your business acts diligently and responsibly. To effectively comply with anti-money laundering laws, your business needs more than just a basic understanding of the rules. It requires a proactive and structured approach. This begins with conducting a thorough risk assessment. You must analyze your business operations to identify where you might be most vulnerable to being used for money laundering. Consider factors like your customer base, the types of products or services you offer, the geographical locations you operate in, and your transaction methods. For example, a real estate company dealing in high-value properties faces different risks than a small retail store. This assessment helps you tailor your anti-money laundering efforts to where they are needed most. Based on your risk assessment, you must develop and implement a set of internal anti-money laundering policies, procedures, and controls. This is essentially your company's rulebook for fighting financial crime. It should clearly outline the steps your employees must take for every aspect of compliance, from accepting new customers to identifying and reporting suspicious activities. Your policy should also designate a senior employee as the anti-money laundering compliance officer. This person will be responsible for overseeing the compliance program, ensuring that policies are kept up to date, and acting as the main point of contact for regulators and law enforcement agencies. A critical component of your internal controls is the practice of customer due diligence, or CDD. While basic Know Your Customer, or KYC, involves identifying your customer, due diligence goes a step further. For higher-risk customers or transactions, you may need to perform enhanced due diligence, or EDD. This means taking additional steps to understand the customer's source of wealth and the purpose of the transaction. You need to be satisfied that the funds are legitimate. This is not about being distrustful, but about being prudent. Asking the right questions and verifying the answers protects your business from getting involved in illicit financial schemes. Ongoing training and awareness for your staff are absolutely essential for your anti-money laundering program to succeed. Every employee, from the front desk to the executive office, should be trained on the company's anti-money laundering policies and the risks of money laundering. They need to know how to spot red flags, unusual customer behavior or suspicious transaction patterns, and exactly what to do when they see them. Regular training ensures that your team remains vigilant and that your business maintains a strong culture of compliance. This collective effort forms a powerful internal defense against criminals seeking to exploit your business. Failing to comply with Nigeria's anti-money laundering laws carries severe consequences that can jeopardize the very existence of your business. The penalties for non-compliance are not minor fines, they are substantial and designed to be a strong deterrent. For individuals, convictions can lead to lengthy prison sentences and significant financial penalties. For corporate bodies, the fines can run into millions of naira. Furthermore, regulators have the power to suspend or even revoke your business license, effectively shutting down your operations. The financial cost of non-compliance is simply too high to ignore for any prudent business owner. Beyond the direct legal and financial penalties, the reputational damage from being associated with money laundering can be devastating and long-lasting. News of an investigation or conviction can destroy the trust you have built with your customers, suppliers, and financial partners. Banks may become reluctant to do business with you, and customers may take their patronage elsewhere. Rebuilding a tainted reputation is an incredibly difficult, expensive, and time-consuming process. In today's interconnected world where information spreads instantly, preserving your company's good name is paramount, and strong anti-money laundering compliance is a key part of that effort. On the other hand, embracing robust anti-money laundering compliance offers significant benefits. It acts as a powerful shield, protecting your business from becoming an unwilling accomplice to crime. By implementing strong controls, you reduce the risk of fraud, theft, and other financial crimes within your own organization. It forces you to have a better understanding of your customers and your business transactions, which can lead to better business decisions overall. A strong compliance culture enhances your company's reputation, making it more attractive to legitimate customers, investors, and partners who value integrity and security in their business dealings. Ultimately, by following anti-money laundering rules, your business plays a vital role in safeguarding the Nigerian economy. Every transaction you vet and every suspicious activity you report contributes to a larger national effort to build a more transparent and stable economic environment. This helps to reduce corruption, improve security, and attract foreign investment, creating a better marketplace for everyone. Your compliance is not just about avoiding penalties, it is a positive contribution to the nation's integrity. It is an investment in the long-term health of your business and the sustainable growth of the Nigerian economy.